It's been about a month and a half, maybe 2 months since I last saw the Slam Halen, and they were under construction when I got to hear it. It wasn't completely done, had a lot to go. They made some more improvements other than just the stuff they needed to do. And well, before it heads home today, I want to hear it. So I'm heading over to Gately's. I'm going to check it out real quick. Slam Halen. Let's go. Once again, Gately Audio. There it is right there. I guess it's go home day for the Slam Halen from what I'm hearing. Hey, can we pop the hood? So this is your dad's truck?
Yeah.
What made him decide to do a Van Halen theme, just out of curiosity?
He likes Van Halen. He wanted something that was just like a on-theme mini truck.
Yeah?
Something that was kind of 90s, 80s. That's his time, and that's what he liked.
Oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. That's my era, so of course. Got a MechMan alternator, high output, SMD fusing, excess power battery, at least in the front. What kind of batteries are in the back? Is it all got limitless lithium in the back? As you can see when you look inside, the seats aren't pushed all the way to the steering wheel or anything like that. It's still nice, plenty of room. Looks nice and clean in here. Door pods look perfect. I was here when they were just getting ready to start those. Super nice. All right, again, what's in those doors?
It's Sundown Vex 10s.
Sundown Vex 10s.
And B2 Rage CDR horns.
I think I talked about that in the last video. So it hasn't changed?
Nope.
Yeah. Sounds good though. What do we have here? About, from what I heard, around 19,000 watts worth of Gately Audio prototype amps. So these amps right here aren't really available. There were some prototypes that are badass and they didn't want them to go to waste sitting around. They're perfect for the Slam Halen. So I don't want to discuss what they are, but we got about 19,000 watts sitting back here, mids and highs included. Super nice amps, damn. I love that red. Of course, if you've been watching my videos, you probably saw me cut all this stuff. And this is the kind of things that it turns into right here. Look at that. And it's bolted to the back window, Were you guys having back window problems before?
Absolutely. It was shaking all over, and we actually ripped the sheet metal between the third brake light and the window.
Yeah, you got to do something about that real quick.
Oh yeah.
So I see what you did here. That's badass. Let me see this. And what's this window made out of?
It's 1.25 inch acrylic.
1.25 inch acrylic, and this looks familiar.
But that was the amp rack, and this is the
right
steel.
here.
This is just acrylic that I cut yesterday, and
Okay, look at a nice acrylic trim piece.
yeah.
Very nice. So we got a nice acrylic trim piece right here, covering up whatever's mounting that in. We got more steel. We got some reflection going on, so it's hard to see. All these different shapes that I cut for him. Sometimes I'm not sure where they're gonna go once they leave my shop. And what are these again?
Those are Gately Audio Relentless 12s.
12s?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like I think last time I saw this, I said the same thing, 12s, because they look like 15s. Can we hear it or what?
Absolutely.
All right, yeah. All right, it's only 6 12s. Only. What's going on, man? Got the matching knob right here. Roof made out of again?
That is Baltic birch, and it's about 1.25 inch thick.
No flex at all. You know what? That's a huge improvement from what I heard last time.
Absolutely.
That is just crazy.
It is wicked.
Amazing. Damn. Yeah, that's real nice, man. Real nice. Like legit, a lot different than last time I heard it. So the way this thing's basically the way this is wired up, you can just play this thing nonstop all day, no problems.
It just did it. Just
Yeah.
the 2 days of it at Slamology all day. I
Easy
mean, I broke
money.
the head unit real bad, but I just held it in my hand all weird, and I had to squeeze the connector in the back and squeeze the like this in my hand. I'm like, get in.
Yeah. Hey, well, it's definitely a masterpiece, and glad I got to hear it one more time before it goes home.
Well, it's local home.
Local home.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll see it again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, sir. Sick as
What's
hell.
this
thing even tuned to? Do you know?
It does really well between 25 to about 56 hertz.
Right on. Hey, it's definitely digging deep. It had me uncomfortable for a little bit. It was getting to me a little bit.
But yeah, it chunks pretty good all the way up to about 62.
Titanic laws representing Lord Town. Push them off, push the knee, keep me up.
See, that's making a lot of wind, and it's not even a wall full of subs. It's a port.
Making asses shaking, windshields break.
Can you do a hair trick?
It's DJ Rusticles. I get home and popping pillies, man, I feel just a star.
Hey, so we can definitely do a hair trick.
I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure my nostrils are gonna be like.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm in trouble after this one. She wasn't even supposed to get a demo, but now she got one. Slam Halen, right on. Gately Audio does it again, as always.
Appreciate it.
Gately Audio and crew. Yes, sir. Damn right. All right, we're out of here. Later.